What's up, everybody? It's Switch here at Newport Richey Harley-Davidson. I am here with this 2014 48. We got the hard candy custom paint on it. We got LEDs all over this bike, 14-inch apes, rolling sands, contrast cut, parts everywhere. We got the slam shocks, we got the side exit, short pipes. We got the Screaming Eagle heavy breather intake. We got pinstriping front and back. The details on this thing are fantastic. The previous owner left nothing untouched. All right, guys, make sure you come on down. Newport Richey Harley-Davidson. Take this thing for a test ride. It's gorgeous. It handles great. Make sure you come on down.